welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. So a cable trick that is going to save you a lot of money. This is the example that I've got here with Summer Cable Elephant by-wire cable, and you guys can just at some point up the resolution to 720p, make it full screen, or watch it on a big PC screen or whatever, so it's easier to follow these steps. These are the things that I've discovered with some friends, things that we did that changed the sound. And I think that if you start in this zone, then you don't have to deal with a lot of half cheap, half expensive cables that usually cost I don't know, 3, 4, 5 times more. Just doing this will save you a lot of money, and then later on you can just buy some proper cables and get a proper sound. But this is just to give you guys the tools that you need to make a good solid basic sound. So we've got the 6 methods here that I've written down, and it basically involves copper tape, black tape, putting it on. You can do it in a certain pattern. This is basically going to simulate good cables, better cables that usually cost a lot more. So I think that you might as well show people how to make these cables themselves, so they don't have to mess around with all kinds of crappy cables. And then here's another cable trick that my friend did, where he took a Big Brother version here that is meant for a speaker cable usage, and he put it on some very certain type of plugs, and he did all of this stuff on it, and he basically simulated a cable that would cost this here by only using this amount of money up here. And that's another way of doing it. Of course, you have to contact a professional just to make sure that you're not doing anything that's wrong, yada yada yada. Like I always say, do what's right and legal. But let's have a look at these other things here. Yeah, I made another video that is a bit related to this video here. You could also just buy a cable like this. That is much better. But if you haven't got the money and you're saving up for something like this, it could be another brand, perhaps Carter's, AudioQuest, Yoma cables, whatever. At least here in this video, you have an inspiration for getting a decent cable instead of having to use some kind of a basic hardware store cable that is just horrible, usually very harsh and unsophisticated, and a lot of other bad stuff. So here are the things that you guys need to basically get off to a really good start. And yeah, I've made some videos if you want to access all of them, not just the 200 that are shown by default. Sort them by the oldest, for example, and then just go through every single video. And you have to, I'm just saying to you guys, you never know. Maybe I might take the videos down and put them on another page and then begin charging money for some kind of a service. I don't know. But at some time, all these thousands of hours that I've put into these videos have to somehow get me paid somehow. I can't just keep donating thousands of hours to people all over the world, making everybody wealthy except for myself. I have to do something at some point. So don't take it for granted. Look at all those videos while you can, get some inspiration. And having said that, like and subscribe if you can. Have a nice day.